Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 3, volume 5 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great second week of school here at SMS, as you can see from some of the photos that are in the connection. And just a reminder, parents, we do have fall open house that's upcoming on September the 14th. It'll be from 5:30 to 6:30. We usually try to coordinate this with the first report card of the year. So students at open house will be able to pick up their midterm grades. Also, if you haven't already done so, parents, please make sure you take a moment to sign up for SMS Remind. You can do that by texting at Simons FC to 81010. This upcoming week, we have an admin team meeting on Monday at 8, a site-based council meeting at 4 on Monday. We don't have any events on the calendar yet for Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll have a faculty meeting after school until starting at 2:50. And Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. We will also have Kona Ice with us this Friday. And we will also have our Cougar Council elections. So for those of you who are interested in knowing a little bit about Cougar Council, we will have the teachers, each team of teachers will pick one student representative, and then the students on each team will pick one of their teammates to represent their team on council. We had several shout outs this week from the state fair. We had several students who participated in the country ham speech, and they did really well. Hadley Singer tied third place for her speech. Hunter Ham tied third place for his speech. Bobby Applegate was also tied third. Caleb Flora tied second, and Hunter Ham was the third place overall. So that brings us to our student spotlight. So congratulations this week to Caleb Flora. He is an 8th grade student and a Blue Barracuda team member. He has participated in the Country Ham Project through 4-H and tied second place in his division this week in Louisville. Caleb was a member of the Cougar baseball team this past spring, and he's an active member at New Life Christian Church, or Church of Christ. And he has also attended Sugarloaf Christian Camp over the summer. His team of teachers report that he has a great attitude. He's always courteous, works well with others, and is respectful to both teachers and students at SMS. Caleb enjoys attending fairs and tractor pulls in his spare time. So congratulations, Caleb. Way to shine at the State Fair in Louisville this past week. We're so proud of your many accomplishments. Way to bring it. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.